This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off private browsing on your iPhone or your iPad. So we can just go to Safari right here and open this up. So turning this off is rather easy. You just have to find your different tabs. So if you go to these two little boxes, you can see all your different tabs. You can switch between your tabs right here or the tabs for private on the top. And all you have to do is hit this X. And it should turn it off, and I'll close it right there. And just switch back to your normal tabs. Or I do have this option to open up the side. And if I have a private option on the side here, I should be able to just close it. So let's go back here. And you can see private down here at the bottom here. I'm going to start a private page. So I can just switch between them real quick right there. Or I can close the private browser right there and switch back to my normal tabs. So it's just a little bit annoying going back and forth, but very easy to start it or close it right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.